Since the release of Windows 11 24H2, reports have emerged from various users experiencing an odd bug where the mouse cursor disappears when engaging with text fields across multiple applications. This issue has been particularly noted in programs that utilize Chromium technology, such as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Users have reported that when attempting to type in the address bar or search for content in apps like Spotify, the cursor becomes invisible, creating a frustrating experience. Attempts to resolve the issue through common troubleshooting methods, such as resetting touchpad drivers or connecting a USB mouse, have proven ineffective for many. It appears that this problem is linked to a compatibility issue within the Windows 11 24H2 update, specifically affecting how the operating system interacts with text input fields. The issue is not isolated, as multiple users have voiced similar concerns on forums and community platforms, indicating that it's a widespread bug rather than an isolated incident. Fortunately, there is a solution for those encountering the disappearing mouse pointer issue in Windows 11 24H2. The fix involves resetting the mouse pointer to use the default icon again. Here's a step-by-step guide to resolve the problem. Begin by accessing the Legacy Mouse Properties window. This can be done by opening the Control panel and searching for Mouse. Alternatively, you can type Main.cpl directly into the Windows search bar to access it quickly. In the Mouse Properties window, click on the Pointers tab. This section allows customization of mouse cursor icons. Look for the Text Select option in the Customize section, which shows the icon that appears when preparing to type. Browse for the default icon. Click on Browse to view a list of available icons. Locate the Beam R icon, which is the default pointer icon in Windows. After selecting the Beam R icon, click OK to apply your changes. This should restore the mouse pointer functionality in text fields across applications. It's worth noting that this bug has not been formally documented by Microsoft, which suggests that it may not be widely recognized yet. While a small number of users have reported it on platforms like Feedback Hub and Microsoft's community forums, it highlights a glitch that could benefit from more attention from Microsoft. I hope you found the video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.